Let's meet the amazing organs inside your body.
Hi, little explorers! Today, we're meeting the superheroes inside your body.
Hello, I'm your brain. I help you think, learn, and control your body.
I'm the heart. Thump, thump. I pump blood to power you up.
We're the lungs. We breathe air and send oxygen everywhere.
I'm the stomach. I chop your food, like pizza, to digest it.
I'm small intestine. I grab vitamins to make you strong.
I'm large intestine. I push out waste, poof.
I'm the bladder. I hold pee until it's time to let it go.
I'm the liver. I clean bad stuff to keep you super safe.
We're the kidneys. We filter water and make pee to stay clean.
I'm the spleen. I fight germs and recycle old blood cells.
Your organ team is awesome!